State asida mayai kava nisala lon bayawna Leinaba Thabak Singda misa miyam da natana lainga ki thabak tawba miyoi sing yawrum labasu makhoigi mathakta sabsaba thabak lokhatkani haina Manipurgi Director General of Police Rajiv Singh na section wa thamkhrai Indiana ning tamba phangakibagi Humudra mapalak suba Independence Day tharumgi mangwinena Manipur Police Department Yengsinduna Imphal District ke hata kangjai bungdagi state asigi Governor Security Advisor Chief Secretary amadi DGP na ngasi Hargar Tirangagi manungsana Khongjom War Memorial Complex fawba Bike Rally ama pangthokrai Bike Rally lamthaba aduda pawmi singna hangba wahangi pawkhumda DGP Rajiv Singh na hai state asi khagnatana leibak asigi Northeast State Singda drug ki case ka mari leinaba Thabak Singda Kupna Yengsinduna Thabak kya Paikhatli Mana makha taraduna ngasigi bike rally asi lebak asigi damak thauna leina kathokiba sing adubu ningsingduna sakhangba madi ikai kumna bu utpoina pangthokpani haiki tharom maduda harau tarambaga loinana saruk yariba khudimak pusu DGP na thagatpa phongdokhi bike rally aduda police amadi youth affairs and sports department gi bike chamaga contract yauna lebak asigi tongan tongan mafam kya dagi lakpa biker club taranipan gi bike chanipan ga marifu yaurga puna biker lising magasuna taratare na saruk yaki
This rally will go up till Khongjom. It is a recognition and remembrance of our sacrifices over the so many years for our country, and we all are energized by the thoughts of serving the country time and again. Drug menace is one of the banes which are in not only affecting Manipur but the entire northeast. And all the states are doing their bit. We are also trying, and the seizures etc. have increased, obviously because there was some law and order issues earlier. So not much emphasis could be given to this. But we are very strict and we are very categorical and very clear that anybody and any person, whether it is a policeman or whether it is a civilian who is involved in all this drug, because it concerns the future of the youth, the future generations of the state and the country, and we will be absolutely ruthless in dealing with this, whether it be criminals, whether it be people who are not supposed to do all this. So let me make it clear that the fight against drugs will go on irrespective of who is involved.